We're all here in Brussels, in Belgium. We gathered lots of European youth for this weekend and for the following 2 weeks. And we're just sending you this message to say a big good luck for the next 2 weeks in Cancun and at the COP. We'll be here for the next 2 weeks in Brussels following you. Laura?
And it's freezing cold, and so I'm a little bit jealous of the weather in Cancun. And we're participating at the moment in the European Assembly for Climate Justice, which is about 100 people here in this building at the moment. We've had some really amazing workshops this morning, and now at the moment there's a few more workshops, and we're making a declaration to send to Cancun, and we have a panel discussion with some people from other continents, from Pakistan and Russia. And then for the next 2 weeks after that, we've been planning our own event, especially for young people.
Yeah, and we're going to have a lot of good workshops on different topics that are related to climate justice, like, for example, the problems with carbon trading and offsetting, but also green capitalism,
social justice,
and food and agriculture, and
false solutions,
and
real
system
ones.
changes.
Yeah. So you see a lot of exciting activities we have planned, and we're also going to have many skill shares on action training and media work and lobbying and so on, and we're just going to let you know where you can follow us over the next 2 weeks.
So the next 2 weeks we're going to be telling everything that we're doing and trying to link up with all of you in Cancun, following your emails, so please keep in touch with us and please follow us in the next few days. It's not ready yet, but it will be in the next few days.
Cool. Good luck!
All right, good luck!